Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2022 Ford Escape Titanium. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, we got rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails, got some nice silver accents along this vehicle. We do get blind spot detection, and we do get a remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months. Front park sensing, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a power liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. Got hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, 12 volt, you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, and of course you do get storage under here with a spare tire. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, carpet interior with floor mats, adjustable rear seats. We have rear vents, USB and USB-C, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, liftgate and lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 81,220 kilometers. We got this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, volume, mute, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we got select screen, audio, navigation, phone, settings, and display setup. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, which do include normal, eco, sport, slippery, snow, sand, and normal again. And we also get our park sensing. We can turn on or off, auto hold, parking brake, all that jazz, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. And of course you do get your center console here with tons of storage, dual climate up front with heated front seats and heated steering wheel, hazards and media controls. We do get our navigation, audio and phone. For your audio you do get, and let me just click into here, AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls, you can see it's been previously connected. Your navigation, pretty handy, you can search, menu, zoom in or out, pretty easy to use. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your SiriusXM Travel Link, settings, vehicle Ford Pass, Apple CarPlay, voice controls, navigation, and all that fun stuff. And above me, we do get our features for our twin-panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RF32420A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.